This video is an excerpt from a Q&A session that I held with my email subscribers. And I invite you to stick around till the end so I can share with you a free special offer I have just for you.
Okay. Do you have any DIY decor projects that are easy to do to refresh my home? I'm pretty crafty, but I haven't done much in the way of home improvement. Yeah, I think there's a few good places to start. If you want to enter the world of a little DIY home improvement, there's a few projects that are really easy to start with. So I would say number one is painting. Painting is definitely something anyone can do. Yes, there's some prep work involved in taping, sections and getting some of the prep work done. But in terms of difficulty level, it's very, very easy to paint walls, and the payoff is enormous because paint is such a game changer when it comes to design and decorating. Another one is some prefab wall moldings. And I have a picture. I'm going to jump ahead. The picture on the left, those wall moldings, they sell them now at Home Depot. You can get them on Etsy, where you can literally just stick those frames on your wall, either with adhesive or with a few nails here and there, and then you just paint them to match your wall, and you instantly have added some amazing, beautiful character. Very easy DIY project to do. Painting your furniture. It's time consuming, but it's actually it's not that hard to do. You can do chalk paint. It's a really, really, really easy, forgiving paint to use. That's a good one to do for painting furniture. Maybe you have like a cute little stool or something and you want to paint it a cute color, or your coffee table or a side table that you want to paint, or even a headboard, a wood headboard. Those are all really fun, easy DIY projects to do. Temporary wallpaper would be another one. Some temporary wallpapers are better than others in terms of sticking to walls. But on the picture here on the right, this is a peel and stick temporary mural style wallpaper. And it could be fun to just take a room in your home and create an accent wall. This could be fun to do behind, let's say, an entry table. Also, so start small. If you're not sure, you can start in small spaces. Maybe it's, the backdrop of your powder room, or, right behind your toilet. That wall is not huge. Maybe you want to just add a little fun flair there. Or in your laundry room, maybe you have like a backsplash area, or, one of the walls in there. That could be a really fun place to just add some peel and stick wallpaper and just have fun with it. So that's an easy one. Spray paint projects would be the other one. Home Depot, Lowe's, all those places have just a ton of spray paint colors, and you'd be amazed what you can spray paint. So picture frames is a really great one. Let's say some people get a bunch of picture frames and then they all end up kind of being different colors and it kind of looks like a mishmash. You can take those picture frames, pop out the glass, get yourself a can of spray paint, paint them all the same color. Let's say you want to paint them all gold, or all silver, or all blue, or pink, or shades of pink, and that's going to work in your room. That's a really fun one because it's just, you're going to create a brand new look for a frame there. And so easy. Spray paint is just so easy to do.
Hi again. I hope you found some valuable information from that question and answer video. And now I'd love to tell you about a special offer that I have just for you. I'd like to invite you to my free masterclass called The 3-Step Framework for Designing Your Dream Room. If you've ever struggled with home decorating, or knowing where to start, or knowing the right steps to take to be able to create a beautiful room, then this free masterclass is going to be perfect for you. So head on over to the registration page. There's a link in the video description where you can sign up today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel so you never miss any future videos. Bye for now.